Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antornews. Kublay pi baru kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ki paidbah nongshong yo mynta ka khat khandai tering kila sakhi bat pynpaw ka jingkmen ya u Myntri Rangbah ka jylla u Conrad K Sangma. Badi ki Myntri Sorkar ki ba kynthup ya u Bah Prestone Tynsong bat u Myntri ka tnat Jngohkai tourism u Bah Paul Lyngdoh ki yo Iewduh ban Jurip yaka. Ya u Myntri Rangbah la priang buram da usim kahima melim upa im ainam maniksim bat ki Myntri sim. Ka jinglet yu kejat u Myntri Rangbah Conrad K Sangma ya ka Iewduh ka dei ka sin baar hadin u Dr. Mukul Sangma. U Conrad K Sangma u balas ya kejat namot pran bat iki basa di bapher nadu yo maulong basa soksau yo dilang basa do bat jaka di dokha kli yo bat kiwe. Myntri Rangbah ha ka jinglet Jurip ya baro ki jingdonkam ki ba paidbah udonkam kum kalait ka bar ki jingpen tnat ya ki lenti singkin ya thu u Conrad K Sangma. Bad u Bah Prestone Tynsong habaya kran ya ki lat pathai khubor. U benrap ka jinglet jengok ya kate ka yo ba ka Sorkar keladap mang hendriu klur tingka na ka bentaban maramot ya ka lenti ya kejat hapo kate ka yo. Mynta ka baar kalong laai sakhat hendriu klur tingka banne ikitnum daslap najrong hasilinter ka Iewduh. War ki paidbah ki bala sakhi ya ka jingwan u Myntri Rangbah kila yo ban pinsngau ya ki jinge bat jingdon kam ki baki nongshong yo baki kindu na kaliang jeng u Myntri Rangbah lembat u simbut Myntri kila yo ban kren bat katu kat ni ki nongshong yo. Kani ka jingwan Jurip ka dei halor ka jingtmu jeng ka Sorkar ban penkala ya ka Iewduh sya ka jaka ka bakhuj ka ba tnat ka ba treikam bar ka jaka ka ba kluj ka ba la ban ai ka jing syakri ka ba paka ya ki nong di jingdi bar ki nong thin. U Myntri Rangbah ka jylla u Conrad K Sangma lo ong basyan ka Sorkar kan sa penkre ya ka master plan na ka bentaban tnat bat pynpaw kelum ya ka Iewduh. Ka ba dei ka wei na ki yo tenrai ka ba he tam bar ka bala rim tam ha ka ni ka than. Mynta ki tnat kidang penkre ya ka master plan ban pet kumnungin la ban wanra ya ka jing pynpaw baro ka wei Iewduh la ong Sangma. Ngis Jngohkai bahai ka ni namar bajan palat silak ngut kibriu ka jing im ka syongbet na klembet ha ka Iewduh. Kumta kalong ka ba kongsan bahai ngi ban pentikna bangin penne ya ka ni bat wanra ya ka ula ong.
Your visit to the market.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today, along with Deputy Chief Minister Bah Prestone Tynsong and our Tourism Minister Bah Paul Lyngdoh and the kiba and all the other officials of different departments, we had visited Jadoh market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen. In next maybe a couple of months we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths, we will put them under duck, and then we will redo the entire footpath and will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Jadoh. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Jadoh market area directly and indirectly. And therefore it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we have come in a very big delegation, all the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Iewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the Hima and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Iewduh market.
So what were some suggestions given by the